What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and Merry Christmas to those of you who celebrate it. Hope you guys had a great time with family and friends. Ongo is out here today with me. Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas,
Ongo.
guys.
Thank you, Alec, for providing me with this sick Christmas sweater that I've been rocking since last night. Since it's Christmas, you guys know that we have a couple of cool things to show you. They're all in the car, so let me pull it out and show you guys the first thing. My girlfriend actually got me this gift. I had showed her a picture of my car that is like my all-time favorite picture of it, and she did this super cool thing for me. So check this out, guys. She got that picture printed on a canvas, and this is sick. Can you guys imagine if eventually one day we're able to do this, be able to provide them out for you guys? I thought that would be pretty sick, but it was a super cool Christmas gift that I wanted to share with you guys. So thank you to her. She's the best. I love it. What do you think, Ongo?
Looks nice.
It's sick, huh? We gotta get one of your car and everyone else's, dude. So that's the first gift, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna hang it in my room. It's gonna look good. Now the second thing that I want to show you guys is right over here. KlutchKick again, and this one is for Mr. Ongo.
Merry Christmas.
Open it up, Ongo.
I haven't had a gift in like 2 years.
Merry Christmas, Ongo. Ooh.
Ooh, I already see it.
Open it up. Show them what's in there.
Huh?
Show them what's in there.
It's a sweater.
So you guys were asking for this to get it done, and it's done, guys. So check it out.
It's in.
Ongo's very own design on his own sweater of his car. Dude, this is so sick, dude. Oh, that is sick. Oh yeah, look at the sides. So this is something that Alec kind of brought up to us. He's like, you want to do something on the sleeve? So that was a good choice on that.
Thank you, Alec, man. It looks great.
Super thankful for Alec, dude. You're awesome. Thank you for getting this done for us again. So if you guys want Ongo's sweater with his car on it, it's available on the website. We will link it right here. Make sure to head over and give Alec a follow on Instagram as well. This guy has done so much for us, and he's always super helpful when it comes to these things. So thank you, Alec. We appreciate it, man. They look great. Now let's check out the shirt, because I think this one might be a little bit different. So this one has the same design up front. So this is the long sleeve, same design up front, except show them the back, Ongo. So now you got Subi Troops logo on the back instead of the sleeve. So sick, dude.
Dude,
they came out good, huh?
Yeah.
I love like how the car came out. The detail that Alec puts in there is like insane. Literally everything, even that little sticker that we threw on there not too long ago. When Ongo was choosing this design, he wanted to go with like the rising sun, kind of like super Japanese. So Alec kind of did that, and then he added the trees, which is like for our hometown. We have a lot of pine trees, so he added all those, which is super cool because it's like a mixture of both. Once again, thank you, Alec. Super thankful for everything that you have done for us, and happy holidays, man. We actually do have one more package to show you guys, but before we do that, Ongo and I were talking, and I don't think we've really gotten any pictures of my car and his car together. Since we got a little bit of snow last night, I thought it'd be cool to head out this morning and get some shots of both the cars together with the snow on the ground. So we're gonna go ahead and do that first, and then we will show you guys what else we have for you guys. Found this spot here. Not much snow left on the ground, but the scenery is really nice. So Ongo is gonna get some shots, and we'll see how they come out. right, we're all done here. We got all the pictures that we need. Now it's time to go open up that last package. All right, I'm gonna open it. Guys, so we made it to our favorite spot here at the dock. There's a car. Josie came out, what up, just guys? Hit that pole over there. With his Jeep, that's his Jeep right there.
Hi YouTube, this is William, and I just want to tell you
I like to go fast.
I like to go fast.
Thanks, William. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We got one more package to show you. This was actually sent out by Lasfit, and the very first time we ever heard of this company was when we went down to SoCal and we met up with Chris from Flyride. So he showed us all types of Lasfit LED bulbs, and they contacted us not too long ago and they sent out this package. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing that we have up top here is the LT10 bulbs. So what these are, you can use these for the dome light inside of your car. I believe they also fit the glove box and then the trunk, and you can also use them for the license plate. So I'm going to be using these for the license plate. Second thing that they sent out are these high beam LED bulbs for my car. So same thing as the rear license plate ones. I have the regular halogen bulbs up front, so it's time to upgrade those. Cool thing is, when we went down to SoCal to Chris's shop, we actually saw a couple of Lasfit's products in use. So I can tell you guys that it's super high quality. They're super bright, which is something that I really like about them. So we're gonna go ahead and switch these out, put them in right now, and see how they look compared to the OEM ones. So Ongo here is gonna show you guys what the OEM high beam bulbs look like on my car right now. So go ahead, Ongo. So as you guys can see, those are super ugly. They're yellow and they're not very bright at night. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. Let's go ahead and start with this first one here and pop this out, and then just unclip it, and then we'll get this new one here. So, ooh. So we got one bulb in. We got the OEM one still on this side. You guys can see a full comparison of the two and see the differences. So go ahead, Ongo. Bam. So check out how much brighter that is, and then look at that one. That's crazy. Nice. Perfect, guys. Now we can put in that second bulb and we'll have super bright high beam bulbs. They actually have a small fan in the back. You can actually feel it when the bulb turns on. I think that's just to keep it cool. And I remember this from a while back, but if it doesn't turn on the first time, try flipping the switch, because I think that's how LEDs work. If you flip it, it'll work the other way. Oh, that's bright. So there we go, guys. We got new bulbs. Huge thank you to Lasfit for hooking me up with these LEDs and the high beam. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on a little bit later today. But the cool thing is that Lasfit did not forget about you guys. Lasfit actually hooked you guys up as well. They are giving away 100 of these small LT10 bulbs for free. So if you hit the link in the description and at checkout use code Danny, I will put everything right here. They will actually send you these out for free. All you have to do is pay for shipping, which is like $2 or $3. Or if you're not interested in these, anything that you purchase on their site that's $15 or more, and you use code Danny, they will knock off $15 from your entire order. Make sure, guys, if you hit that link in the description, when you go to checkout, make sure to use Danny for your discount code. They will not ship to PO Box, so make sure to use a physical address, and in the notes at the very bottom of the page, make sure to put year, model, and make of your car. That way they make sure that you're getting the correct bulbs. As far as these here, they have different colors. I went with the white ones, but they have white, blue, orange, green, red, purple. Every single color that you can think of, they have. So once again, huge thank you to Lasfit. We look forward to working with you guys for a very long time. I'm excited for these high beam bulbs because, like I said, at night you really couldn't see anything with those OEM halogen ones. So excited to see how these perform. A lot of you guys have been asking why we haven't been posting so much. It's just because of our work schedule. So we all work different days and we work at the same spot. so it's kind of hard to get the same days off. In the summertime it's easy because we can just get off work and we still have sunlight, but by the time we get off now it's completely dark, so we apologize for that, guys. But anyways, let us know what you guys think about everything today. Make sure to head over to KlutchKick.co and cop that sweater if you like it. Those first 100 people, make sure to head over and get yourself a small Christmas gift. We will catch you guys next time. Merry Christmas. Peace out. Wait, before you guys go, I came to a parking garage just so you guys could see how bright these LEDs really are. So those are my regular headlights right there, and then that is the high beam. So as you guys can see, they are super bright. So check that out, guys. Damn, they look so good, and I'm gonna be able to see 10 times better at night. They look this bright with lights still outside in just a dark parking garage. Imagine how good they're gonna look at night, guys. So remember, if you need any automotive lighting whatsoever, hit up the guys over at Lasfit. They will take care of you, and I can vouch for them that they have top quality stuff, guys. But now for real, guys, we will see you next time. Peace out.
That's it, Brian? Yes.